Unsure what to prepare for Valentine's Day? Nothing says I love you like making dinner, or just something sweet, for the one who fills your stomach with butterflies. This Valentine's Day, turn your place into the most romantic spot in town with these 25 suggested menus. The 25 menus each include a starter, main, side, and dessert, and consist of both traditional and fresh Valentine's Day ideas to meet a variety of tastes. Each menu is curated not just to tantalize the taste buds, but to deepen your connection with your partner through the shared experience of unique and lovingly prepared dishes. 1. Traditional romance, a timeless expression of love through luxurious ingredients and decadent flavors. Starter, oysters on the half shell with mignonette sauce. Main, beef Wellington with red wine reduction. Side, truffled mashed potatoes. Dessert, chocolate fondue with fresh fruit. 2. Italian elegance. Celebrate amore with the rich and comforting flavors of Italy. Starter, caprese salad. Main, homemade lobster ravioli. Side, garlic herb focaccia. Dessert, tiramisu. 3. Classic French cuisine. Sophisticated and refined, a culinary journey to the heart of France. Starter, French onion soup. Main, coq au vin. Side, gratin dauphinois. Dessert, crème brûlée. 4. Mediterranean magic. Light and vibrant, evoking the sunny shores of the Mediterranean. Starter, mezza platter, hummus, baba ganoush, vegetables. Main, grilled lamb chops with rosemary. Side, couscous salad. Dessert, baklava. 5. Vegetarian indulgence. A sumptuous feast that delights with nature's bounty, celebrating love and life. Starter, beet and goat cheese, arugula salad. Main, wild mushroom risotto. Side, roasted Brussels, sprouts with balsamic glaze. Dessert, chocolate cake. 6. Seafood feast. A sensual array of seafood, igniting passion with every bite. Starter, crab cakes with aioli. Main, seared scallops over pasta with a lemon butter sauce. Side, asparagus with lemon butter. Dessert, lemon sorbet. 7. Spanish passion. Vibrant and bold, a fiery feast that dances on the palate. Starter, gazpacho. Main, paella mixta. Side, patatas bravas. Dessert, churros with chocolate sauce. 8. Asian fusion. An exotic and aromatic journey, blending flavors from the East in harmony. Starter, sushi rolls. Main, Thai basil duck. Side, jasmine rice. Dessert, mango sticky rice. 9. Southern comfort. A warm embrace of comfort foods, evoking nostalgia and love. Starter, shrimp and grits. Main, bourbon glazed pork chops. Side, collard greens with bacon. Dessert, peach cobbler. 10. American Gourmet. An elegant celebration of classic American flavors, perfect for a sophisticated night in. Starter, Caesar salad. Main, surf and turf, lobster tail and filet mignon. Side, roasted garlic mashed potatoes. Dessert, New York cheesecake. 11. Caribbean escape. Transport your senses to a tropical paradise, full of spice and everything nice. Starter, conch fritters. Main, jerk chicken with coconut rice. Side, fried plantains. Dessert, rum cake. 12. Greek Odyssey. A journey of love through the flavors of Greece, symbolizing health and happiness. Starter, spanakopita. Main, moussaka. Side, Greek salad. Dessert, chocolate baklava. 13. Indian affair. An exotic adventure of spices and aromas, bringing warmth and depth to your evening. Starter, samosas. Main, lamb rogan josh. Side, naan bread. Dessert, gulab jamun. 14. Mexican Fiesta. A vibrant celebration of love with bold flavors and festive spirit. Starter, ceviche. Main, chicken mole. Side, Mexican rice. Dessert, tres leches cake. 15. Japanese elegance. A delicate balance of simplicity and sophistication, embodying harmony and peace. Starter, miso soup. Main, sashimi platter. Side, seaweed salad. Dessert, green tea ice cream. 16. Moroccan adventure. An enchanting evening of aromatic spices and sweet sensations, whisking you away to exotic lands. Starter, harira soup with chickpeas and lentils. Main, chicken tagine with apricots. Side, couscous. Dessert, Moroccan mint, tea, and pastries. Dessert, Brazilian Carnival. A lively and colorful feast that captures the spirit of carnival and celebration. Starter, pão de queijo, cheese bread. Main, feijoada, black bean stew with pork. Side, collard greens with garlic. Dessert, brigadeiros, chocolate truffles. 18. Austrian winter. Cozy and comforting. A hearty meal to warm the heart on a cold night. Starter, bretlaus, Austrian meat and cheese board. Main, Tafelspitz, boiled beef with horseradish sauce. Side, warm potato salad. Dessert, Sachertorte. 19. Vietnamese charm, a fresh and light culinary experience, bringing balance and zest to your Valentine's dinner. Starter, spring rolls with peanut sauce. Main, pho bo, beef pho. Side, bok choy. Dessert, cheba mao, 3-color dessert. 20. Thai tropical escape, a sweet adventure in the spirit of a romantic getaway to the beaches of Thailand. Starter, tom yum goong, spicy shrimp soup. Main, green curry with chicken. Side, sticky rice. Dessert, coconut ice cream. 21. Turkish delights, a rich tapestry of flavors that tells a story of ancient cities and crossroads of cultures. Starter, red lentil soup. Main, kebab platter. Side, Turkish rice pilaf. Dessert, Turkish delight. 22. Peruvian classics. From the heart of the Andes to your table, a blend of indigenous and Spanish flavors. Starter, causa rellena, layered potato casserole. Main, lomo saltado, stir-fried beef with fries. Side, quinoa salad. Dessert, suspiro a la limeña, caramel pudding. 23. Russian feast, a soulful and hearty meal that brings warmth and richness to your Valentine's celebration. Starter, borscht. Main, beef stroganoff. Side, braised cabbage. Dessert, Russian honey cake. 24. Belgian treat, a delightful journey through Belgium's finest fare, combining rustic charm with gourmet flavors. Starter, moule marinière. Main, Flemish beef stew. Side, white asparagus. Dessert, Belgian waffles. 25. South African safari, an adventurous taste experience showcasing the bold and diverse flavors of South Africa. Starter, mafino fritters, spinach and maize. Main, Durban lamb curry. Side, yellow rice with raisins. Dessert, Malva pudding. These Valentine's Day dinner menus are designed to create an unforgettable evening, offering a world of flavors that promise to elevate your celebration of love. Whether you choose the timeless elegance of a classic romance, the exotic allure of international cuisines, or the comforting embrace of familiar foods, each menu is a testament to the joy and intimacy that can be found in sharing a thoughtfully prepared meal with someone special. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below.